Today on Alley Picked, I want to show you how to build and play this game, which I had when I was a kid in the 1970s. It's also the basis for a game show from the 70s and 80s. Do you know what that was?
Now a game of high stakes, where every decision is a gamble, and every move can be your last. High Rollers!
There's something special about old toys that I played with as a kid that brings back pleasant memories, like today's project. In fact, I had forgotten completely that this game even existed until I saw one at an estate sale a couple of months ago. I played this for hours when I was a kid. I didn't even know it had a name. We simply called it the wooden box with the numbers and dice. I did some research on this game, and it turns out that it has many names. It also goes by the name of Blitz, Canoga, Clackers, Batten Down the Hatches, Kingoball, Trictrac, Cutthroat, Fork Your Neighbor, Jackpot, all kinds of names, and there's various ways to play this game. The origin of this game is even unclear. It might be 70 years old, it might be 700 years old. But as far as I'm concerned, I played this in the 1970s, had loads of fun, played it for hours, and I'm looking forward to playing it again. I haven't played this in a long time. I haven't even played it yet. I just got finished making it. I'll show you how to play it, then I'll show you how to build it. The goal of Shut the Box is to flip over as many of the numbers as you can. Roll the dice, and whatever number comes up, you flip that over. 10 can be just the 10, or it can be 5, 4, and 1, or 6 and 4. You keep rolling the dice until there's no more combinations left to match. This is just one of the many ways this game can be played. Add up the total number of the remaining tiles. The other players then try to beat your score, and the player with the lowest number for that round is the winner. The build starts off with a picture as a guide, which I printed off of Google Images. I'll look for some thinner scrap wood from my stash. This is 5/16 of an inch thick mahogany wood, which I picked up from a garage at an estate sale last year. You can probably just use stickers on the tiles for the 12 numbers, but I decided to carve them using a small router with a carving bit. To prepare the wood, I'm applying 1 coat of sanding sealer, or shellac. You can use lacquer or polyurethane, it really doesn't matter. Now the reason for this will soon become clear. Once the shellac is dry, I'll glue the numbers down as a carving guide for the router. I want the inside of the numbers to be blue. Before the paint dries, I can wipe off some of the excess paint. And now a quick coat of polyurethane to protect the inside of the numbers. Once dry, I can sand off all the paint on the outside of the 12 numbers. Here's why I use the sealer. You see, if I didn't use a sealer, the paint would penetrate the wood and require a lot more sanding. So it's much easier to sand if you seal the wood before you paint. To cut the hole through the side of all 12 tiles, I made this jig which will allow me to drill the holes in the exact same spot on all 12 tiles. Well, it sure was a lot of fun building this game and playing it. It's actually kind of addictive for a simple game. Thanks for watching Alley Picked. If you want to see other cool things that I made out of junk, check them out on this channel. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.